Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana and you know what we do here? We are reacting to a wealthy yes. So today we're going to be watching Maluma's house. Maluma is a Colombian artist. He lives in Medellin. You know Medellin only reminds me of one thing, you know, Pablo Escobar, who else? Okay, notorious place. Okay, so let's watch this and yeah, I'm excited. Let's go.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Maluma.
Hi.
We're here in my house, Medellin, Colombia. This is my sanctuary. I hope you enjoy it. I'm enjoying it a lot in this quarantine.
He starts off by saying it's a sanctuary. Don't this remind me of Joe Balvin? Like, do they have the same vibe? Okay, anyway, let's keep watching and see how Maluma decorates his house.
I'll come here and have some peace with me, okay? Maluma baby, yeah. I've been here for 3 years already. It feels great to be at home because I'm always touring. So now that I've been here for almost 3 weeks, it feels amazing to be here and enjoy my house. I needed this time in my life to enjoy and see all the things that I've been building for a long time. I have here my fireplace, one of my favorite places where I love sitting down with my family and talking with them.
Okay, the fireplace, dipped in living seating situation. It reminds me of some sort of superhero squad. This is their hub, this is their layer. So like when they finish fighting crime, they come and they sit around the little circle. That's what it reminds me of. This is really giving me superhero, you know, HQ.
My routine, it's very easy. I'm not too complicated. I take my elevator.
Oh, come on.
There you can see here my elevator, right? I go down, right? I come here. I say hi to everyone here in the living room, which is empty right now. I come here to the kitchen. I talk to the chef because I'm always hungry, right? But I like doing my own coffee. That's what I like, doing my own coffee. It's not because I'm Colombian, right? But my favorite coffee is Colombian. Then I take my coffee, right? I'm gonna show you my cup. I have these fancy ones, right? It's not that I love it, to be honest. But they're
He's certainly a Versace ambassador. He's got the Versace hat and he's telling us this is my favorite mug. And he's talking about not being biased. But are you sponsored by Versace?
But I have these that they are my favorite. I have this with my sister and the first dog that I had. Then I have this one that has my first letter J, Juan. I have this one that is with my mom, this picture with my mom. And then I have this one, there is a picture with my dad. So you can see it here. Then I take one of these.
Okay, let him finish.
I have my coffee, I go out, I see how beautiful this is.
Before we see this view, right? I just love how personal this is. Like this guy, a lot of people shy away from like printed mugs. You know, like the mugs that you get at weddings. I hate those mugs. Oh my God, those printed mugs get on my nerves. But like he showed us his family mug. Because he's chosen to have those, is absolutely fine. But it's nice that somebody can be so personal and have mugs that actually shows their loved ones. I like this. This is really personal. Thank you for sharing.
Look at that, green all around. So that's like the first things that I do as soon as I wake up.
Cute. Colombia seems to have, well, the houses, the two houses that I've seen so far, they seem to have this incredible greenery view. And yes, absolutely, be one with nature. He likes the fact that the outdoor space is like sort of emoting inwards because he has the large glass. You can appreciate the view from your living room space.
This is my piano. I always wanted to play piano. To be honest with you, I don't play piano, but I have a bunch of friends that they come here to my house and they love playing the piano. And we sing here, we write songs here. So this is a very, very, very important thing in my house because it's one of the most creative spaces that I have here. I love to be surrounded by art. As you can see here in my living room, I have this horse that a friend of mine gave it to me, Mexican friend. This art is called Huichol art. So yeah, I love this art because it has 1,800,000 how do you say this? Shakira's, yeah, like these little things, you see. So it's a very important piece for me because I love horses too. As you can see, I have another horse there that a friend of mine painted for me. So yeah, everything around my house is full of art, right? Because I need to feel that artistic vibe, right? To keep working and keep writing my songs.
Okay. So basically, he's got things around him that really inspire him, which is like the whole painting, the art. His friends gifted him wonderful pieces of art that fits his vibe. He is inspired by all of those things to be able to write music. So shout out to him for knowing what he wants, knowing what inspires him, and using it to create his art.
As you can see, there are like some houses over there, but it's super private.
This is what you call private, guys, because I can barely see the neighbors. I see the neighbors, but I probably see their roof. That's the only thing I can see.
The Cambuche is a place
The what?
that is the coziest place where you can be with your family or friends. And this is the Cambuche.
Kombucha.
We just put a bunch of pillows and a big rug on the floor. And we just love to play Uno, Jenga, all of that there. So that's called, in Colombia, that's called Cambuche. This is the theater. Right here. And there you go. And you see the lights over there.
So he's got the Rolls Royce ceiling in the theatre, giving you the illusion of a starry night out in the sky. I love it. I love it. All right.
You have the feeling of being looking to the stars. Here's where I see a bunch of Netflix, a bunch of TV shows. It's one of my favorite places in the house, for sure. We're going outside and I'll show you the pool area. This is nice. I like it because the weather is so good now. It's not that cold. So you see, I'm gonna show you my girlfriend. She's quite her name is.
I thought that was a real person because I saw the leg first and I was like, okay, who's this babe? Show the babe. That is not real.
Her name is Mireya. Why so quiet? We're good. We're recording. Open your eyes, girl. And I've been spending some time with her. These are Bonnie and Clyde.
Bonnie and Clyde. Okay.
Hello, AD. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour.
I guess the bedrooms were a little bit too private to show us, so we didn't get to enjoy that. But I do appreciate him showing something, you know. It's a shame. I would love to see his bedrooms and his bathrooms and everything else like that. But we didn't get to see that. But it's fine. It's all right, Maluma. I forgive you. What's our favourite part of the house? I like the kitchen. It's very spacious, cute, very nicely done. I also love basically the outside area overlooking the view. That is very, very nice. Très chic. Would I buy this house? I feel like I can't make a huge judgment because I haven't seen the whole of it, you know, but certain things I don't like. So like the dug in living area seating situation is not my favorite. Like it does give me that superhero vibe, or that, you know, when it's showing that, you know, the Bachelor in like a movie, he always has that, you know, like a Bachelor from like the 70s or something. He has that vibe. I'm gonna leave that to them. I'm gonna leave that to the guys to have. I won't have that though. Overall, okay, I like his vibe though. It's good for him. It inspires him to make that music. So continue to be inspired and continue to make that music. Let's look in the comments and see what other people think about this house. My husband is so quirky showing our house to the internet like that. Okay, I don't know who this person is, but they've already claimed Maluma. Go on, girl, speak it into existence. J Balvin, Maluma, all these Colombian artists seem to talk about their families in these AD videos. warms my heart. That's exactly what I said. Like the fact that he showed us something so, like, you don't really get that, like mugs with prints on them, family photos, that's very personal. And the fact that he's even done that, shout out to him. They really are showing that there's a family dynamic here which is strong. Are we supposed to look at him or his house? Good Lord, this man is fine. Hey, focus. Focus. We're going to leave it there. Thank you so much for watching this. Please do like, please comment, and do subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Tell me what you think about this house as well. Bye.